Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn about how to replace the values and remove duplicates in Power BI with examples, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail about filling the missing data in Power BI. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace values and remove duplicates in Power BI using Power Query. Power Query is a data transformation and cleansing tool that is built into Power BI. By using Power Query, you can manipulate data in various ways, including replacing values and removing duplicates. So let's get started. We have a sample dataset of sales data that I'm going to use for this demo. As you can see, there are some values in the dataset that need to be replaced. For example, some of the product names are misspelled, and some of the sales amounts are negative, which is incorrect. To replace the misspelled product names, we are going to select the column that contains the product names and right-click on it. From the context menu, we are going to select Replace Values. This will bring up the Replace Values dialog box. In this dialog box, we can specify the values that we want to replace and the values that we want to replace them with. For example, we are going to replace bike with bicycle. To do this, I'll enter bike in the value to replace field and bicycle in the replace with field. Then I'll click OK. Now, all instances of bike in the dataset will be replaced with bicycle. Next, we are going to remove any duplicate rows from the dataset. To do this, we are going to select the entire dataset and then click on the Remove Duplicates button in the Home tab. This will bring up the Remove Duplicates dialog box. In this dialog box, we can select the columns that we want to use to determine whether a row is a duplicate or not. For example, we are going to select the product name, sales date, and sales amount columns. Then I'll click OK. Now, any rows that have the same values in these columns will be removed from the dataset, leaving only the unique rows. And that's it. As you can see, using Power Query to replace values and remove duplicates in Power BI is a simple and powerful way to clean and manipulate your data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to respond. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.